Hello again. Let's check the next question, which is 15. So 15 questions 15 is about the admin group can use sudo without password. Okay, the admin group can use sudo without password. Okay, so let's get that done. So you can use vi sudo or whatever, or edit a file directory. I'm going to edit the file directory because I'm like that. Okay, so go somewhere here. We should be able to use something similar. Let me see. Yeah, we can just use this one as a reference. It's a comment, but it's good enough for us. So it's read on the file. I know. Leave me alone. So the admin group can use all, and that's pretty much it. Now this will allow the admin users group to use all commands without a password. Save and quit. You're done. Some more points in the basket. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.